Hi, I'm Helen Luckhurst and I work for the Warwick Institute of Engagement as an engagement officer.
Hello, my name's Professor Emma Mason and I am Head of English and Comparative Literary Studies at the University of Warwick, and I teach religion and literature.
My name is Christoph Baker. I'm Professor for modern European history and at the same time Deputy Head of Department.
I'm Fiona Fisher and I'm the Associate Director of the Institute of Advanced Studies here at the University of Warwick. Since the start of the war in Ukraine, we've been working with lots of other people here at the university to help bring some Ukrainian academics to Warwick, to support them, to give them stability and to give them a chance to kind of continue their research while they're here. And so initially we brought 10 fellows and their families over from Ukraine. The generous donations from Marie Fernandez and the generous matching of that by the university has allowed us to give some long-term stability to our fellows, to allow them to continue their careers here, to continue their research here. And they've been with us in the IAS, but it's been a massive team effort here at Warwick. One of our fellows that we've been supporting long-term, Natalia, came to us and said that she had this idea for a summer school with history and English, and asked us about the possibility of bringing over 20 of her students, which we thought would be such a fantastic thing to support.
Christoph was incredibly supportive of the idea, and from there we proposed the idea of a 2-week summer school for the undergraduates that Natalia teaches at UCU to come over to Warwick so that they could be with us.
It's such an amazing opportunity both for the Ukrainian students and for us as well. It's been such an amazing experience to engage with them and talk to them and learn all about their culture as well. And yeah, I just think it's one of the best things I've done at university for sure.
The students sort of came over at the weekend. We were there on Monday morning to welcome them and just sort of be a friendly face at Warwick University, because obviously it's quite daunting for them coming to a whole new country and everything like that. So we got to socialise with them, actually made some good friends with some of them, which was really nice.
For our students and our staff to be able to meet these wonderful Ukrainian students who've come over, it was just such a fantastic opportunity, so we were very, very happy to support that.
I was delighted to participate in the summer school today, talking to the students about public engagement and getting their ideas on possible engagement projects for particular audiences and purposes.
But it's also been really lovely for our students, because our students who are enrolled at the University of Warwick also had a chance to sign up to all of the classes that we ran.
I think just hearing about the things that have been going on in Ukraine and then hearing that some Ukrainian students were coming over, I just immediately knew I wanted to be involved.
And that made it a really lovely conversation. It was sort of different views depending on where they were from.
Just meeting people on a friend level as well, but also just kind of introducing them to Warwick and showing them around, giving them kind of a good experience and a different experience, and also kind of culturally exchanging and learning more about what their lives would be like. So I knew immediately I definitely wanted to get involved.
We're passionate about preparing our students with skills for their future lives, whether they're Warwick students or students from elsewhere. And we believe that engagement and communication skills are a hugely important part of that. So we were delighted to be able to participate in this summer school. We, as an institute, believe in the value of communities communicating with each other, so it was great to be part of this wider initiative.
And they've been an extraordinary group of women. I was just amazed. Their English is phenomenal, they're so confident, funny, relaxed, and I'm sure that underneath they're finding everything worrying and a struggle, but they've been incredible ambassadors for their country and for Ukrainian Catholic University as well.
I think Warwick is really the whole package for a university. The people are incredible, everybody's so kind, but also the academic sessions that they've had have been amazing as well. So the faculty are also brilliant.
So we really want to say thank you to all of the students from the Ukrainian Catholic University for coming and for being so hospitable to our students as well, and we hope that they will come and visit us again.